Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I think today's video setting or the camera setting just seems much more better to me. Let me know what you guys think, if this is much more better than like my previous videos. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a very simple and a very basic look which you can wear every day. And in this look, I'm actually going to be using my own handmade lip gloss. Also, if you want to buy this lip gloss, there's a link in the description box below. Go check it out. These are very cheap and affordable, not expensive, and it's extremely good. Trust me, because I hand make them, so I'm telling you, it's really good quality. It's made with like essential oils and butters and all of that, so it's really good. And yeah, let's get started with the video. So as you all know, I have been using facial oils for quite some time. So even today I'll be using this facial oil as a primer slash moisturizer. It is so good and it smells so good. Oh my god, it smells so good. More than like artificial smells, it smells more like earthy, if you know what I mean. It smells so good, and it's also really good for your dark circles and any pigmentation that you have on your face. Also, this oil was made by Moi, so if you want to go check it out, you can check that out in the description box as well. It's yeah, it's there on my website in case you want to like buy it. Okay, so I have applied my oil. Now what I'm actually gonna do is so the thing is, over here, if you can see, I have like slight bit of pigmentation, not pigmentation, I have some blemishes over here, like over here. So I have like these little bit of blemishes here and there, so I am only gonna cover them up. And I'm taking my foundation shade, and I'll just take some foundation on my hand, like not a lot, and I'm just gonna add on my this part where you know there are issues, and I'm gonna take it slightly over my under eyes, not a lot. Wherever you have blemishes, just add the foundation there. And this is a very natural look. It won't look like you have applied makeup, trust me. Just like I think a few days back I applied this makeup and I showed it to a friend, and my friend could just not tell there was anything on my face. So tried and tested, you guys. Oh, and with whatever little that's left on the brush, I'll just like apply on my forehead as well, just to like you know, sort of blend and combine and whatever. So that's it, that's the foundation. Then I'm taking this powder which is from Fit Me Maybelline in the shade 310 Sunbeige, and I'll just lightly take some powder and I'll just add that on my face. Now you don't need to really set your under eyes, because honestly you don't have a lot of foundation. Oh, the powder went in my nose. Anyways, so yeah, you don't have lots of product on your face anyway, so you don't need to like do anything. Okay. So yeah, that's what we have done. Also guys, tell me what's up. Leave some comments down below. Just a comment, yeah. Just say something in the comments. Say hi. Chat with me a little, you guys. I have no friends. Honest truth. Okay, now I'm gonna take this color and I'll just fill in my eyebrows very lightly. So do you guys want to know about like business and like small businesses and how it is, and you know how you all can start one and stuff like that? Because I was thinking about making a video on this topic, but it obviously it will be kind of different from my general videos, but I think it's a very nice video topic, right? And also we are all at home, there's not much to do. Starting a small business is a really good idea for even you guys. Why not, right? Like, why not? It's not a huge investment, it's not like anything huge, just something that you can do on the side where you're doing something else. It's a good thing, you know. And if you like makeup and skincare and all these like creative things, I think it's a really good idea. So let me know if you all want to know about small businesses and starting one up and how to go about it and websites and all of that. I would love to talk about that. Now let me just curl my eyelashes, because eyelashes make a huge difference. If there are two things I have to tell which really make or break the look, first one is the lashes, second one is your lips, and third one is your eyebrows. It's very like you don't really pay attention to that, but it really makes a huge difference. Can you all tell my eyes look much more open and better? Like, I don't know if on camera that's visible, but like they really do look much more better. Now I'm taking this mascara, which is from Maybelline again, Express Volume Mascara, and I'll just add some of that. Now you all can add blush, highlighter, all of that if you all want, but obviously I'm not adding because I don't want that. Okay, so we are done with your eyes base, and the only thing that's left is some gloss. So let's just add some lip gloss. Now usually when you will buy glosses, they seem very heavy on your lips, right? This one is not heavy at all. It's not sticky or heavy, it's just really lightweight. Now once you've added your lip gloss or even lipstick, always remember this. Take your finger and just do this. So some extra gloss, whatever is left, will come out over here. So always like do that once you have applied your lipstick or your lip gloss, and this will avoid your lip gloss or your lipstick from transferring on your teeth. So yeah, I always do that, and I think you all should do that as well. And yeah, that's the look. It's super natural and very lightweight. Again, you all can wear this every day for work, time pass, going out with your friends, Zoom calls, whatever it's there. It's a very simple look. And that is it for the video, guys. I will see you in tomorrow's video, and tomorrow I am actually gonna do something fun. It's personally fun for me, so I really hope you all like tomorrow's video as well, because I'm really excited about that tomorrow's video. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I will see you tomorrow. Till then, bye, take care, stay at home, don't go out, and also please do subscribe to my channel. Oh, by the way, I hit 1K subscribers. Thank you so much, y'all. I'm genuinely so happy. Yeah, it's a huge milestone for me. And yeah, I will see you very soon in the next video. Bye.